In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly for Slack. If you've ever found yourself wanting to ensure perfect grammar in all your Slack messages, this integration will be a game changer for you. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Grammarly website. If you haven't been there before, it's a great place to start checking and improving your writing across various platforms. Ensuring you have an account is the next step. If you do, fantastic. Click on the I have an account option, or alternatively you can click on login. This will take you to the sign in page. Here you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one linked to your Grammarly account. Once you've done that, click on continue to proceed. You'll find yourself directed to the Grammarly homepage. This is your dashboard where you can manage all your Grammarly settings and see an overview of your account. Now let's switch gears and go over to Slack. You can easily access it through your browser or the desktop app, whichever you're most comfortable with. Here's where the magic happens. Grammarly is auto-integrated into Slack. This means that once you're logged into your Slack account, you'll notice the Grammarly icon appearing in your chat interface. This little icon is powerful because it allows you to ensure that every message you send is polished and grammatically correct. If you've been longing for clearer, more professional communication, this integration is perfect for you. The Grammarly icon not only marks the presence of the tool, but acts as your digital writing assistant, helping you craft messages that are both clear and concise. Whether you're shooting off a quick update to a colleague or drafting a more formal announcement to your team, having Grammarly at your fingertips can significantly streamline your process. But the benefits don't stop there. You can use Grammarly AI to generate messages for you. This tool can analyze the context of your sentences and provide suggestions to enhance your writing. Whether you're writing a report or just a simple Slack message, having this AI's assistance can save you time and improve the quality of communication within your team. So in just a few simple steps, you've integrated Grammarly with Slack, giving yourself a powerful tool to enhance your messaging. This seamless connection means that you can focus on the content of your messages without worrying about grammar mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this setup enhances your productivity and communication on Slack.